Alright, well, the Zippo truck stopped by today, and let's see what he dropped off. Okay, now this one arrived in the normal Zippo black box, made in Bradford, PA, and label says HD Harley Davidson Eagle. There's a look at it. And there is a Harley Davidson collectible insert. All rights reserved by Harley Davidson, of course. So let's take a look at this. It's on a high polish chrome body. And this one was made, it looks like L of 13. So that was December of 13, made in USA, Bradford, PA. It's got a really good sound. Steel insert. Fires up nice, like every Zippo should. So we can get a picture of that eagle on there. Kind of hard to see because it's chrome. A little bit of engraving on it. And of course it has the Harley Davidson shield. Pretty nice. Gonna go in my the Harley part of my collection. And here's a few of my Harley lighters. That one will go there for now. And it definitely deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.